Major moves down in Bitcoin today. We are now testing $95,000. This is scaring a lot of traders, and I'm betting through this weekend we could drop into caution or even concern. Now, I'm going to let you know right this second, Travis has invested $30,000 betting on the bear market starting. I know this is a huge switch from what we've been talking about. I know people didn't want to see it, but the bearish data we shared last week is coming true, and we're not sure anyone's taking it seriously. Bitcoin's cycle looks complete based on having data. Another chart shows a bear market starts now using totally different data. A third chart signals a distribution phase often seen before major drops. We're going to show you how we're preparing for what might come next, with a simple risk management tip for those holding through volatility. Travis is ready to deploy another $100,000 into crypto if one signal confirms. We've made over $400,000 in profit this year, but we're concerned many haven't locked in gains. You need to watch this future forecast as soon as possible. It is going to make sure you are prepared for what happens next. Access this with a membership, and if you're not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Today we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Before we get into the actual analysis, we are going to need to make sure your TP and DCA market breakout detection is set to 2. I can't go into too much detail as to what this does, but this makes sure that if there are continued movements past what an oscillator would normally throw a signal for, we are able to catch that and keep on looking for new signals. It's extremely helpful and one of the few indicators that can actually do that in the market. Let's start with the market cycle highs and lows. Right now, we are in the purple zone. This is mild caution. Generally, when we see mild caution, a purple reading, this is going to indicate the bottom of a cycle before a move up. Over and over again, whenever we see purple, this is where we're seeing moves up in Bitcoin. Way down here, purple, insane moves up. Way back here, purple, insane moves up. We haven't seen a reading lower than that since the beginning of 2023. That tells you just how dangerous a move down like this can be. If we can really drop all the way down, showing caution, concern, or even fear or max fear, as we saw at the very bottom of the last bear market, guys, this is where we can expect major moves up. I'm not talking some little pumps throughout the week. I'm talking last time this happened, we saw a move up from that bottom to the absolute top of 630% in Bitcoin. Again, this is going to take a long time to play out. And right now, we're already seeing the purple reading, which again is the lowest reading that we've typically seen since 2023. Because of that, we need to be ready for a reading in caution and or concern. We're going to set alerts right now so you are ready when that happens. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the market cycle highs and lows. Switching to caution, once per bar close, click create. Next alert, market cycle, concern, once per bar close, and click create. These two alerts will let you know if we drop into caution or concern. When we get a blue or dark teal line, a faded teal line like that, means we need to be ready for the next move up. From there, we need to be watching the Pro Trade Manager, and if we can find any sort of green dots, this is typically correlating to major moves up in the market. It's catching almost every single bottom. We got one right here before the move up, and if we can get another green dot while in purple, especially if we can find one in caution or concern, this is going to be highly bullish. Back here, green dots, purple reading. This was a move up from the green dot right at the bottom, all the way to the next top of 63%. Let's find another one right here, purple, green dot. This was a move up from the green dot to the top right here. of 95%. Purple, green dot. This was a smaller move up, but this was still a win, and this was a move of 14%. Way back down here, purple, green dots. Let's go to the very first green dot to make things clear and fair. Up to the next top, this was a move up of 174%. Big moves happen when you get purple readings from the market cycle highs and lows with a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager. Even bigger moves happen when we get caution and concern readings with the Pro Trade Manager posting that green dot. Again, we want to set alerts to make sure you don't miss it. We're going to click Create Alert. We're switching this to the Pro Trade Manager. We're keeping it at long entry, short take profit once per bar close, and we're going to click Create. Long trade entry / short take profit means a green dot is posted. A concern or caution alert means that this line, the price line here, has closed in the blue or dull teal caution or concern territory. If we can get both of these, insane moves are likely to happen. But guys, I'm going to let you know we are looking at bearish moves. We are starting to switch sentiment. Overall, though, regardless of how far the market crashes, even if it crashes crazy low, looking for these alerts will help us find the ideal entry opportunity, the ideal dollar cost average entry opportunities, the ideal absolute bottom swing trades for the day traders, for the long-term traders. Anybody benefits from watching for these signals. So yes, Travis has put $300,000 in the market betting on a market drop, but he still has a ton of money on the sidelines waiting in order to catch the bottom, in order to buy in and hit that move up for maximum profit. If you don't have these indicators yet, now is the time to snag them. And if you don't do it this week, guys, we have our Black Friday sale coming up soon. If you want them to make sure you don't miss out on the signals, what you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started, and you are saving $450 total. That's $150 each off of our 3 brand new AI indicators. Now, our previous indicators, these are the ones that helped us win 314 wins with 0 losses. The Pro Indicator Pack and TC Top and Bottom Finder absolutely crushed it in the market, and the new indicators are even better. If you've purchased these older indicators, you're going to get 60% off instead, a much larger discount if you email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Guys, do not miss out on the signals. Do not miss today's future forecast video if you are invested in the crypto market at all. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that future forecast video.